Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothies thick. To achieve a wonderfully thick smoothie, begin with frozen ingredients like berries or spinach. These provide a natural chill and density. Next, add your liquid base, starting with just 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup. This minimal liquid helps create a denser blend. Incorporate creamy elements such as half an avocado or 1 whole ripe banana for an extra rich and satisfying texture. To further enhance your smoothie's thickness, consider incorporating some fantastic add-ins. Chia seeds or ground flax seeds are excellent choices. Just 1 or 2 tablespoons will absorb liquid and create a gel-like texture. For a heartier, thicker blend, try adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. A scoop of protein powder or a generous dollop of nut butter, like almond or peanut, also contributes significantly to a rich, satisfying consistency. Mastering your blending technique is crucial for a thick smoothie. Start by blending on a low speed to gently break down those frozen ingredients. As the mixture begins to combine, gradually increase the speed. If your blender has one, use a tamper to push ingredients down towards the blades, ensuring everything gets incorporated without adding extra liquid. Remember, avoid overblending, as this can generate heat and thin out your perfectly thick creation. Achieving the perfect consistency is all about making small adjustments. If your smoothie is still too thin, simply add a bit more frozen fruit, perhaps another 1/2 cup, and blend again. For an extra frosty and thick boost, toss in about 1/4 cup of ice. Conversely, if your smoothie turns out too thick, don't worry. Just add your chosen liquid, like milk or water, 1 tablespoon at a time until you reach your ideal, pourable, yet still wonderfully thick texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.